Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G56 and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up boot options, and here select power off. When the phone turns off, hold the power button and volume down, and let go of the power button when you see the Motorola logo. Or I guess we don't get even Motorola logo. Anyway, in here using volume buttons, you want to have a recovery mode visible, then press the power button to confirm it. Next we'll have most likely Android with no command, and to get past that we're going to hold power button. While holding it, you're going to press volume up, like so. And this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here again, using volume buttons you can navigate through the options, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And going over the options, we have reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, which is the first page that we have seen. The first option is just getting back to Android. Don't have fastboot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.